a connected world where every voice matters, CSM Technologies' digital feedback management system helps governments listen, understand, and act on citizen feedback with intelligence. DFMS unifies feedback from social media, emails, and news into a single AI-powered platform. Its social listening module gathers and analyzes multilingual text, images, and videos, converting unstructured citizen input into actionable insights. Stored in a centralized sentiment database, these insights help authorities monitor public mood, address issues, and make proactive, data-driven decisions. At its core, DFMS uses a powerful multimodal AI engine to interpret all forms of citizen input: text, images, videos, and handwritten notes, instantly extracting, translating, and analyzing feedback to deliver sentiment, emotion, and priority insights in real time. The social wall offers two dynamic views, map view and wall view. In the map view, citizen posts appear across districts, revealing geographic sentiment patterns and helping officials quickly identify areas needing attention. The wall view displays posts in color-coded cards, positive, negative, or neutral, for an instant grasp of public mood. Together, these views enable real-time sentiment tracking and faster, more informed decision-making. The dashboard offers a 360-degree view, showing sentiment trends, department performance, citizen emotions, and public priorities. The dashboard offers a complete view of citizen sentiment, showing total posts analyzed, sentiment ratios, and data sources. It classifies feedback into categories like complaints, suggestions, and queries, and highlights department-wise performance and trending topics. With visual emotion charts and sentiment trends over time, officials gain real-time insights into public mood and service impact. Every insight is designed to drive better policy faster. The system offers insights through different reports like sentiment analysis, department analysis, topic analysis, and content analysis. The opinion leader and tagged user analysis module uses AI to scan social media posts within selected dates, identifying sentiment, tone, engagement, and reach for influencers and public figures. It reveals how officials and opinion leaders are perceived online, helping governments monitor reputation, understand emerging narratives, and engage more strategically with key voices for timely, data-driven action. Every verified grievance becomes an actionable ticket, assigned to the right department through a dynamic workflow. Assigned action taking authority reviews and replies back in social media. This helps in closing the cycle by resolving the grievance. Setting up DFMS is simple and fully configurable. From the Create Job screen, administrators choose what the system should listen to and how often. Twitter mentions, hashtags, Facebook page posts, all can be added in seconds. With support for additional platforms, multi-channel listening jobs are scheduled with just a few clicks, and DFMS automatically captures every new voice in the background. We are listening from various platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, email, and news. CSM Technologies' digital feedback management system. More than software, it's a bridge between citizens and governance. By uniting technology, transparency, and trust, DFMS is redefining how governments listen, learn, and lead.